How to back up all data on your Google Pixel phone. First, go to settings, click on settings, then type in the search backup, then click backup under system and backup. And this is the backup for the Google Pixel phone. I'm currently using my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Before you turn on the backup, you first have to select what you want to backup. There's two types. So you can choose to backup photos and videos on your phone, and then you can also choose to backup other data. So the photos and videos will be stored on the Google Photos, which is like the Google Photos app that you can open on your app or your browser. And then there's the other device data, like your contacts, call history, app data, and all other apps and messages that you have on your Google Pixel phone. These data will be saved on the Google Drive, and all this data will be saved under your Google account, so nothing will be lost. So if you want to back up everything, just enable this option from here and from here as well. And then once you select everything, just click on turn on backup. Now this feature is really useful because if you lost your Google Pixel phone, or you broke your phone and you can't use it, or you need to replace it with a new phone, then you can simply log in to your same Google account as your older Google Pixel phone, and then it will automatically transfer all the files that you backed up, all the photos, the messages, the apps, even the Wi-Fi password, and all the settings, so you don't have to lose anything on your device. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.